Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a world where simple fibers turn into beautiful stories. Jute burlap is not just a material, it is a feeling of nature and love. Today we will explore jute burlap loved craft ideas made with heart. And jute comes from the art, and that is why it feels warm and real. When we touch jute, we feel calm and connected to nature. This is the beauty of handmade jute crafts. Jute burlap crafts are perfect people who love simple and natural designs. They do not shout for attention but softly attract hearts. Their beauty lies in their honesty. And with jute, you do not need expensive tools or machines. Jute's simple hands, patience, and love are enough. That is why jute crafts are close to the soul. One lovely idea is jute heart wall hangings. You can cut heart shapes and decorate them with lace or buttons. These hearts spirit love in every corner of the home. And jute flowers pots are another beautiful craft idea. Wrap jute around old posts and give them a new life. This teaches reuse and care for nature, and handmade jute gift wraps look simple but very classy. A small jute ribbon can make a normal gift feel special, and love is always felt in small details. Jute table runners give a warm and cozy feeling to dining spaces. They make simple family meals feel more meaningful. Simple meals become special moments, and jute candle holders create soft light and calm vibes. They are perfect for quiet evenings and prayers. Light and nature together bring peace. Jute bags are not only useful but also stylish. They remind us to choose eco friendly options. Carrying jute is like carrying responsibility with grace. You can make jute bookmarks for book lovers. They are simple, light, and beautiful. Every page turn feels more special with handmade love. Jute photo frames hold memories in a natural way. Old photos look even more precious inside jute frames, and memories deserve soft care. And jute coasters protect tables and add rustic charm. They show that beauty can also be practical. Simple things often serve the best purpose. Wall art made with jute threads looks peace and artistic. Patterns made with notes tell silent story. Art does not always need colors, and jute dream catchers bring calm and positive vibes. They look beautiful in bedrooms and creative spaces. Handmade items carry good energy. Jute name plaques are perfect for doors and rooms. They feel welcoming and warm. A name written with care feels more personal. Using jute for wedding decor shows elegance and simplicity. It reflects pure love and natural beauty. Less decorations, more meaning. Jute baskets help organize homes beautifully. They keep things tidy while looking aesthetic, order and beauty can live together. Making jute crafts teach patience and focus. Each note needs calm hands and peaceful mind. Crafting is also a form of therapy. Jute crafts are perfect for beginners. Mistakes do not look bad. They add characters. Handmade things are beautiful because they are imperfect. And jute craft teaches to love simple living. Not everything needs shine and sparkle. True beauty is quiet. And so keep creating, keep learning, and keep loving crafts. Let jute be your medium of expressions. Nature will guide you. And thank you for being part of this jute burlap love craft journey. May your hands always create beauty. Until next time, stay creative and stay kind. Thank you so much and thanks for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.